Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to be here, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jyrki. I'm the CEO of Eins Group, an engineering and project management company. I'm a partner here. Jaakko is the CTO of our company.
Hi.
And today we are going to present you one case. It's a hospital case, widely awarded and honored project. We got some worldwide awards from Trimble, being the best public project executed using BIM in the world. And how we did it, I'll have first a couple of slides and then Jaakko will continue. We have been really in this business for quite some time. We are executing 1,400 projects every year. 800 plus employees in our company. And this is the hospital which has been running now for 2 years. And how it came a very widely praised and awarded project. The factors, key success factors are here. First of all, we used an alliance contract form, which I will shortly explain you right after this. One very integral part of the success was that we integrated the parties very, very early on. All the partners, all the key players of the project were invited to the project at a very, very early stage. That was very important. Then we had user workshops. We had the designs, rough designs ready quite early. We invited the nurses, doctors, maintenance people to the cave, which you will see also over there on the right-hand side corner, looking from you, existing the same kind of piece of equipment we had in this hospital project. And last but not least, we used the scheduling system called Last Planner system. It might be a known system to you, which is very collaborative way to schedule, which actually brings all the dependencies between tasks visible at the spot. And it's great. The dependencies speak, so to say. So those items we had. Now about alliancing. We are proud to be the #1 country in Europe in alliancing. We have now more than 50, actually we have more than 70 alliances currently either completed or going on. Whereas in Germany we started 11 years ago together with Germany. We knew nothing about alliancing. And we were the same guys in Karlsruhe thinking about this. Same professors, same practitioners. And we are now over 70, they are down in 0. We might think about the differences then, how that happened. Anyway, we are proud of these statistics. And here's the key. You know, the idea is that we need to get to the top of the peak. That's the goal. But the client isn't happy only for the achievement, but that we are on the peak. We got to our target. Also the journey to the peak is important. And it's about 50-50 in client satisfaction. About 50-50, what is the journey like and what is the end result like? And now alliancing gives us a great possibility to integrate all the parties together. We have incentives there where the benefits, or actually the rewards, will be delivered to all, not to any single party, but to all. So we have the incentive to take care that our partners succeed as well, because then also we will gain something. And that's not happening in traditional contracting, where we have the contracts, 50 or 100 contracts in a project, and everybody is looking only towards getting money from his or her own contract. Here we have a joint contract, we have ambitious goals which we create together, and then we all win or we all fail together. Very, very important. One key issue is that when we have this kind of incentive system, we need to innovate. Alliances have been pretty complicated tasks normally, but it doesn't matter since we have the innovation system in place. Here's an example of one factory, one energy plant actually. a pretty traditional one, 250 million euros investment. We had 214 innovations in that project. We achieved budget, we achieved the time schedule. Actually, we completed it before the schedule, earlier than scheduled. And our client Fortum was a little bit in trouble because they didn't expect it to happen. So they were a little bit in trouble to find out how to start the piping and installations early in time. Very important, we want to use everybody's brains together as a group. By doing so, we will achieve great results. And we have been in 20 or 30 alliances ourselves, and currently we are in 5 or 6 hospital projects in an alliance. All of them have been executed either in schedule or before schedule, either in budget or under budget. And even better quality than in the beginning was planned. I would say that those are great results. Right, then we go to Järvenpää.
Yes. Back to Järvenpää. So one of the key points in Järvenpää was having all the stakeholders take part in the design. And when you do design with laymen, they don't really understand layouts. So a picture is a bit better, and BIM makes it possible to display the whole building, but still it's in small scale. So what we really do is, because the traditional way of working, taking a nurse to the project meeting, showing a floor plan, it just doesn't work. So what we really do is we use virtual reality. When people come into an environment where they can see the design in 1-to-1 scale, the design is realistic. It's like being in the building, even though it's virtual building. This really makes people able to contribute to design management and design development. You are welcome to the cave and in that corner to see yourselves. And this really brings understanding to the design and project process. Everyone understands what we're talking about. And in addition to achieving a great design, spaces which fit the purpose, we also bring all information needed for the design management into one virtual space, which we can connect to another similar space, which is on the other side of the world. So we combine all the content, all the information, and all the data. Yes. Okay, in Finland we use BIM extensively. I think Finns and Norwegians are much more advanced than, for example, the Swedes. This is quite standard in Norway and Finland. And also, of course, in the installation works. But these bring great benefits in terms of quality and cost. Thank you.